When you're doing the double half hitch knot, you have a filler cord that the other cords wrap around. I'm going to show you how to use one of your hanging cords as a filler cord. I'm also going to show you how to use an additional cord as a filler cord. Take your furthest cord on the outside, and that's going to be your filler cord. This cord is going to determine the direction of your double half hitches. If you want it to be a horizontal double half hitch, you hold it this way. If you want it diagonal, you would hold it on the diagonal that you want. We're going to do horizontal. So you're holding that filler cord. Now you take the next cord over, and it's going to go over top of the filler cord. And now you can see an opening here. So you're going to take that cord around the back of the filler cord and through that opening. And then you pull it snug to the top, holding the filler cord horizontally. Now you do it always twice with each cord. So take that cord again over top of the horizontal filler cord, around the back, and then through that opening. So that is your first double half hitch. And now you continue doing that all the way across. Take the cord over the horizontal cord, around the back, and through the opening. So now to go from the right to the left, hold the cord the direction you want to go. Take the next cord over, go over the top, then you're going to go through this opening here. And pull it snug. Same thing, hold your cord up, over, and through the opening. And just keep going to the other side. Now I'll show you how to attach an additional cord to do your double half hitch row. Take one end and attach it to whatever you're using to hang your macrame piece. Take your filler cord and hold it horizontally, and it's the same knot. So take your left cord over, around the back, and through the opening, and bring that to where you'd like it. This next part is a bit tricky, so I like to pinch this knot and then hold the other end with my fingers. Take your cord over, around, and through the loop and pull it to where you want it, and then you have to wiggle it a bit to get it how you want. Once you have that done, you can remove your taped piece and then just continue on with your double half hitches. Now we'll do the vertical half hitch on the angle. So the key is to hold the filler cord the direction you want to go. And you do the knot the same way. Take the next cord over the top, around, and through the opening. And pull that to the top. And another one with the same cord, over the top, around, and through the opening. And I'm holding my filler cord on the angle, and I'm going to make that snug. And continue doing that. And just make sure you hold the cord the angle you want to go. And then the other direction, take the cord again on the angle you want to go.